Good morning, students. Myself, Amit Yadav, and today I will tell you about the topic how to speak English. Because at this time we are facing a lot of problem to speak. I observe it. Second thing, we have less confidence because sometimes we speak to anyone. We always fear what is wrong that is spoken by us. But we have to think that nobody is perfect in this world. We should try. But most of the people you can find they want to speak English, but they never try. If they will not work hard, they say, how is it possible that I can't speak? You can find a lot of persons, they are illiterate, but due to practice, they are speaking. Second thing is a great fear in front of public speaking. Suppose that you can talk to your friends very easily, but when you got a chance to speak in front of others, in front of group of people, you will face a lot of problem. Even you can forget your name. It shows lack of confidence. So what you will do? Think your mind what you should do to speak properly without hesitation. Because everybody knows about the grammar. Grammar is known as the backbone of any language. Without grammar, you can't learn. Because there are four parts of a language: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. If suppose that you are reading and you are not able to write, what is the use of it? You cannot be perfected in the language. If I am speaking and you are not listening, how is it possible that you can give me answer? So, any language requires four things to learn. So, here I am present here to tell you how to speak properly English. Students, second thing is vocab. Vocabulary is must. If suppose that you have no words, how you can speak? You may be hesitant because that time you will think what you will say. Sometimes you have to do something in front of others. What you will say? If you have no words, no, you can't be able to speak. What you will do? You have to create a vocabulary in your mind. How? Don't mug it. Because if you will revise it again and again, you can forget. What you will do? Daily you have to learn 5 words and use in your daily language. Daily sentences you have to make for daily use. There is no need to revise it. You'll find that after some time these words will become the part of your language and you are speaking without hesitation. Second thing is, if you are learning, you are reading, you are making sentence about the 5 words daily, means how many words you can create in a vocabulary in a whole year. Guess. I will tell you. If 5 words daily means in 1 month 150 words were there. Second thing, in whole year you will find how many? More than 1800 words you will collected in your vocabulary. Second thing, have you heard the name of William Shakespeare? William Shakespeare was that person who is known as the great dramatist. But do you know about him? That he had only 3000 words and he wrote 37 plays, 2 narrative poems and 154 sonnets. So suppose that William Shakespeare has done, why can you not? I am not saying that I am greater than William Shakespeare. But we should try. I'm trying for my best. I know my goal. What is my goal? To speak in front of public without hesitation. Same as I want that you should also learn what you will speak. There are many persons, they read a lot. After, when they got a chance in front of public, what they do? They hesitate, they mixed up, they confuse, and after they are not able to speak their own name. Their legs are shivering. But it is also kind of fear. We should remove. And how you remove? You have to develop the skill of conversation with your friends. You suppose that you are talking again and again with your friends. You are using daily language in English. It is certain that one day you will be a good speaker without any type of errors. But nobody try about this. Nobody is very serious. Each and every person want ready-made skill. How is it possible? Skill is not present as ready-made because nobody can give you shortcut. There are many videos on YouTube. They are saying that in 30 days you can learn. But it is a kind of process. You can learn. There are many institutions. They are showing that in 3 months you have to learn English. But how is it possible? I want to ask you. Is it possible? No. Because suppose that I am here. How many years I have passed? Many years in my life. But I saw a lot of person. They try a lot. But they are not able to speak English. Because they show less confidence. They have no guide. They have no direction. So they are without confidence. They feel hesitation. But suppose that if you are here to speak, you have to think what you will speak. And after, you try to speak. But it is not possible without practice. If you are practicing daily, I'm not saying that in 1 week you will get better result, but after 1 month you will find that better result will be in front of you. It shows that you are doing a serious effort to learn, and it is very good for you. And now my video is going to so lengthy, so I want to stop my video here, and I hope that you will like this video. And from next video I will start to teach grammar. And so first I will start the tenses. So be prepared for tomorrow. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe and like. Thank you so much.